one of these two options. You might want to do the call your business one if you're a consultant, or if you really like the phone option instead of the website. But for right now, I am going to go with the website. So I chose this option, and it says, it tries to help you out. Choose this goal if most of your business is conducted online. You want customers to complete a trackable action, such as a purchase or a sign up on your website. So that's what we're going for us. Let's take a look at the other ones really quickly. If you want to do visit your storefront, choose it if your first interaction with customers is usually at your storefront and you have a physical location. For most of us, that's not us. So here's the name of my ad. I can have multiple ads, and this doesn't show up online. I could change this to anything. I could do just ad 1, ad 2, ad 3. That is just for my organization. Here's my locations. I can edit that and add more locations if I wish. Here's my budget. I can edit that as much as I want.